In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hatch from area in AutoCAD. If you've ever filled a space with a hatch and then realized you need to clear it out completely or only in a specific spot, this walkthrough will make it quick and stress-free. First, let's talk about removing an entire hatch. In your drawing, move your cursor over the hatched area until the hatch highlights. Click once to select it. When a hatch is selected, AutoCAD will show the hatch editor on the ribbon, confirming you have the right object. To delete the hatch entirely, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. The hatch fill disappears immediately, while your geometry, such as lines or polylines that define the boundary, remains intact. This is the fastest way to clear a hatch when you don't need any of it anymore. Now, if you only want to remove the hatch from a specific enclosed area, maybe a room inside a floor plan, or a recess within a larger shape, here's how to do it without erasing the whole hatch. Click the hatch again to select it so the Hatch Editor tab appears on the ribbon. On that tab, look for the Remove option. Click Remove. You're now telling AutoCAD you want to subtract areas from the existing hatch. With Remove active, move your cursor to the area you want to clear. Click on the boundary inside that specific part. As long as it's a properly enclosed region, AutoCAD will recognize it and remove the hatch from just that spot, leaving the rest of the hatch untouched. You'll see the change right away. If you don't see the result you expect, double-check that the boundary is closed and clean. Small gaps or overlapping lines can confuse the hatch. Zoom in for accuracy before clicking, and make sure you're selecting inside the correct area. Also, be mindful of any overlapping hatches or backgrounds. Make sure you've selected the one you actually want to modify. These two techniques, pressing Delete to remove the entire hatch and using Remove on the Hatch Editor to clear out just a specific enclosed area, cover the most common cleanup tasks you'll face with hatch patterns. They keep your drawing tidy without disturbing the underlying geometry. That's all. With these simple steps, you can quickly strip out a hatch completely or only where needed, keeping your plans readable and precise. Thanks for watching, and feel free to practice on a copy of your drawing so you can experiment confidently before making final changes.